If you're experiencing crashing issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Software Updates. Install any available updates to improve stability and performance. Step 2. Verify game files. If crashes occur during gameplay, verify the integrity of your game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game, select Properties, then Local Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any corrupted files. Step 3. Monitor temperature. Overheating can cause crashes. Use a temperature monitoring tool to check the internal temperature of your Steam Deck. If it gets too hot, ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in your games can reduce strain on the hardware. Access the Game settings menu and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and effects to see if it improves stability. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, consider resetting your Steam Deck to factory settings. Back up your data first, then go to Settings, select System, and choose Reset. This will restore your device to its original state and may resolve persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues with your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.